Consider this. You have an AWS Lambda function and you want to integrate it with the Amazon API gateway. And on top of it, you want the deployed API to be accessible from anywhere on the internet. Is it even possible? Let's find out. Let's start by navigating to the Lambda service, then click on Create Function and give your function a name. Choose Python from the runtime dropdown, then hit the Create Function button. Looks like our function was successfully created. Now, let's navigate to the code source section to review our Lambda handler method. To execute this function, hit the test button and give your test event a name. Click Invoke and you should see Hello from Lambda in your execution logs. Now that we know that our Lambda function is working as expected, let's head to the API Gateway service, then click on Create API. For API type, I'm going to choose REST API, then click on Build. Give your API a name, then click on Create API. Head to the Actions dropdown and choose Create Method, then pick Get. Select Lambda function for integration type, then choose the Lambda function that we just created and hit Save. Click on the Test button to test your API integration and confirm that you see Hello from Lambda in the response body. Now that we know that our Lambda integration is working as expected, head to the Actions dropdown and hit Deploy API. Let's create a new deployment stage and call it QA, then hit Deploy. Looks like our invoke URL is now ready to go. Let's click on it to confirm that we see Hello from Lambda in the browser window. There you have it. But before you go, here's a question for you. Why did the Amazon API Gateway go to therapy